Hey Flacketh, it's me, little Mayo. I'm gonna record sideways because on the vlog yesterday it was like this and not like this, and I didn't like that, so yeah. I don't know if I already said this, but I forgot to vlog today. I didn't forget, it's only like 10:30, but I almost forgot. And just wanted to say I'm going out for lunch today with some people I went to school with at 12:30, and I have to walk there, which isn't that bad. It's like a 15-minute walk, but I'd rather drive, but I have no car. Maybe I should just buy a car. Anyway, we'll see. That's all for now. It's It's 11:30. I'm going for my lunch in an hour, and I just saw I got my biomed grades back. I don't know what angle to do this. And I got a, not biomed, bio result back for the exam, and I got a B+, which is good stuff. I'm walking into town to go to that lunch I was talking about, and the walk is so nice and flat. Look at this. It's just flat. Very nice walk. This is why I love Nelson. That's all. I have made it to the place where I'm having lunch over there. Burger culture, except no one is here yet. I don't think. Actually, I haven't checked. But I'm just gonna sit here until they show up. Oh my god, I just saw a hot guy that I know that is working there. Yay! And now I look really weird vlogging myself. Okay. That's all. It's blurry.
Guys, don't be stealing my tomato, right guys?
Yeah, no promises. I forgot what I got because she kept on I'm getting like scary. I'm getting really scary.
I'm at the beach.
Actually, no. That's good.
I am getting picked up by Christina and Andrew, and they're going to take me to drop off my CV at the place I had lunch because they're hiring. I was like, yo, I need a job. So yeah, that will be fun. I don't know if you noticed on my vlog earlier, but the weather was really nice, and now look at it. Looks like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna vlog until I get into the car with Christina and Andrew because I see them over there. It's hailing. I've handed my CV into the restaurant I had lunch in today, and I'm now in my mummy's car. I'm gonna go to Christina's house to see her dog. Okay, that's all for now.
How long was that flight?
I think 15.
To Mickey. What's the Mickey? Too much, isn't it?
Too much information.
It's too much. Too much. Too Mickey. Too much. That's.
I have high hopes for you.
I'm telling you what too Mickey means.
Would be a proper language.
I'm telling you it means too much.
There's this one.
Rubens.
Okay, so some background info to that other video before of people talking and like of just my shoulder was Christina's mum initially didn't believe that tumeke was a word and that it was Māori. She thought we were taking the piss out of her. I think I just locked the door. And then she was telling a story about how she went to Mount Cook, except she was like Mount Cook, And then I thought she was saying Bangkok, but she was actually saying Mount Cook, but it sounded like Mancock. So yeah, that's some background. That's all. It is now 9:46 and I am putting the vlog together, and I realized that I didn't really have an ending, and I was finishing at a really awkward time. I was like, that's really awkward to just end it there. So I'm gonna fill in the gaps. After I was at Christina's house, I left and I came home, and my mummy had cooked dinner, and it was chicken and rice, but better than Tapuni food, so it was okay. And then I started editing the vlog, and then yeah, I realized it was finished at an awkward time, and so this is me saying goodbye. If anything else happens tonight, it'll be in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. Little Mayo out. There's M.